In this video, we will be going over how to replace the keypad on a T4300A-V transmitter. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a replacement keypad. The first thing we need to do is remove the 4 screws from the back of the transmitter using a Phillips screwdriver. Next, loosen the nut on the antenna connector. The board is held down by 2 small screws and must be removed using the Phillips. The keypad is connected to the back of the transmitter board by a ribbon cable. Carefully disconnect the cable from the board. Using a small flathead screwdriver, lift a corner of the keypad membrane. Remove the old keypad and discard. There may be some adhesive remaining on the case. This must be removed to ensure a secure seal of the new keypad. Use your fingers to remove the adhesive. Once cleaned, it is time to apply the new keypad. Remove the backing from the keypad. Snake the cable through the case. Align the top edge of the keypad to the top of the recessed area of the case and press down evenly to secure the keypad. Bend the cable upwards without twisting and secure the ribbon cable to the pins on the back of the transmitter board. Confirm all pins are inserted flush into the cable adapter. Align the antenna connector and microphone jack and be sure the nut and washers are on the exterior of the case. Secure the board with the 2 small silver screws. Replace the back and tighten the 4 screws with the Phillips. Finally, tighten the nut on the antenna connector by hand. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave us a comment or visit us at longrangellc.com.